Hello everyone, in this video we shall be performing addition of fractions. Let's look at some examples. You have 5 over 3 plus 2 over 3. The LCM is 3. So you have 3 into 3 is 1 times 5 is 5 plus 3 into 3 is 1 times 2 is 2. So you have 7 over 3 equals to 7 divided by 3 is 2 whole number 1 over 3. 2 over 3 plus 1 over 4. The LCM is 12. So 3 into 12 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 4 into 12 is 3 times 1 is 3. Equals to 8 plus 3 is 11 over 12. 2 over 5 plus 2 over 5. The LCM here is 5. 5 into 5 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2 plus 5 into 5 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2 equals to 2 plus 2 is 4 over 5. Seven over 15 plus 1 over 15 is equals to, the LCM here is 15. 15 into 15 is 1 times 7 is 7 plus 5 into 15 is 3. 3 times 1 is 3. It's equals to 3 plus 7 is 10 over 15. 4 over 7 plus 2 over 7 is equals to, the LCM is 7. 7 into 7 is 1. 1 times 4 is 4 plus 7 into 1. 1 times 2 is 2. So it's equals to 2 plus 4 is 6 over 7. 1 over 9 plus 4 over 9. So you have 9 times 1 all over 9 times 9 plus 4 times 9 all over 9 times 9. 9 times 1 is 9 over 9 times 9 is 81 plus 4 times 9 is 36 plus 9 times 9 is 81. LCM here is 81. So we have 1 times 9 is 9 plus 1 times 36 is 36. So you have 45 over 81. 9 here, 5. 9 here, 9. So you have 5 over 9. Thank you for watching.